Last time on the Lazy Geckos. Tonight's the night. Everything's coming together perfectly. Last minute checks and a technician for the yacht commander was on board. We're so excited, and more importantly, we are ready. We'd like to be included in your 2230 opening. We're the sailing vessel approaching from the north. Now it's time for the inlet.
That's it. So we're ocean bound now.
Oh my goodness. Exciting. Are you pumped?
Yeah, man, I'm pumped.
Cool. That's pretty crazy.
Are you freaking out over here?
I'm just not gonna look out.
Huh?
Look backwards.
Yeah, look backwards. There's light back there.
Oh,
But you look up here and you're looking out into nothing.
kind of trippy.
Yeah, there's a ship out there.
Holy crap.
I'm gonna try not to hit this pylon. Here you go. We're offshore.
Yeah.
I think we're probably, what, 4 miles maybe offshore? How do you feel? Yeah, it's getting sick though. I mean, it's nice.
It is.
Beautiful. It's a little calm. I think we have 6 knots at like 30 degrees, but we're gonna make it. We're gonna obviously start going more north, and the wind should shift. So.
Yeah.
But.
You know, it's like surreal. I'm just so I don't psych myself out because that's what I like to do.
Yeah.
I'm keeping my mind occupied.
Yeah.
Making Ted coffee.
Yeah.
Keep up the good work.
Coffee, I'm like, we'll jump right on it.
Got the autopilot going. Got a AIS kicking for zones, radar. It's going good.
Yeah, I mean, I'll feel a little better the further offshore we get. I'll feel like we're out of the danger zone a little bit more.
Yeah.
But, you know, 'cause you can't see. It's hard to see. So, crazy.
That's your thought. You can't see. It's hard to see.
Yeah. So,
Well, once we get out here, we should have some beautiful sights and beautiful stars, and we're gonna have a lovely sunrise. If
I
you're
know.
up.
I want to be up. Maybe
Yeah.
not. No, I do. I like my sleep, but I want to be up. How do you feel like you're going to be up all night?
Oh, I don't mind. That's what they made Red Bull for.
Just
And then
for
then they make you heart medications to deal with what comes after that.
We're Bahamas bound. Crossing the Gulf Stream at night was something I was worried about, but we ended up having a great weather window. We motored over the stream, but that's okay. It made for a nice, calm ride. Calypso was on top of it. She was performing flawlessly, and that made me happy.
It's almost 5 in the morning, and everybody else is asleep. Let everybody else get some sleep. That way, they can handle like the morning shift and stuff. But we're making pretty good headway right now. We're going 7.5, no, between 7.5 and 8 knots. We're in the Gulf Stream, but it really didn't push us as far as I thought it would. Like as far as north, it must not be very strong tonight. The winds were like at. Right now they're 4.7. The most they ever got up to was 9. We went ahead and put the Genoa out, but it really didn't get us anything. So after a while they dropped to 3, and we went ahead and just put it back because we were coming into what looked like a shipping lane because it was a whole bunch of ships, and we were just trying to avoid them. And the sail kind of blocks our running lights, so our steaming light. We went ahead and put that back, and it's been pretty much real relaxing, real calm. Plan on crossing over the bank, which is just north of West End, and then cruising on to Mangrove, and then we'll see how we feel then about going on to Great Sail. You know, Ted has to fly out of the Abacos at some point, and he can't stay too long, so we're not going to rush it, but we do need to get over there and just let him fly back home. I told everybody I'd wake him up for the sunrise, and we shouldn't be too far away from it right now. It should be beautiful.
Are you planning to troll, or are you gonna can fish, or?
No, good. Troll.
Does anybody here know how to troll?
He does.
Ted, do you know how to troll? We haven't had confirmation.
I know enough to be dangerous. I cannot guarantee anything fishing.
I really don't know a lot about fishing, but I want to learn, and I don't really want to fillet it.
You cook that sucker up.
But I'll learn, because I need to learn, and I think Ted knows a little bit more than we do. So at least I need to learn how to fillet a fish, and then I'll do it. And I don't know where we're gonna put it, because the whole fridge and freezer is completely packed.
Yeah, we have to eat it like sushi.
No, not gonna do it. Ted, you know how to fillet a fish?
Yeah.
Okay, we're good. I'm gonna learn from you. I think we'll catch a fish and I'll be like, I don't know what to do with it, Ted.
Well, we're gonna gas some of it first.
Well, it's gonna be just me and you figuring it out, because he needs to nap.
Going night-night?
Yeah. So you're gonna miss the party, honey.
If you hear a lot of screaming, you know it's fish.
Oh my god, yeah.
What a perfect morning. Calm seas, some fishing, along with a nice warm pot of coffee. This is absolutely breathtaking.
Gorgeous. What's the prime speed that you should be going?
Depends, man. I mean, there's certain species that like it fast, and there's certain species that like it slower. So I mean, it depends on what you're trying to target, really.
Yep. It's got a fish.
I think it's a barracuda.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
I'm hoping he just pops off, but
Yeah. You see it, Reese?
yeah, man.
It's a barracuda. There's a hook whip.
There you go.
Alright, cool.
Nice.
Nice.
Good job.
Catch and release.
That was cool. You alright? Cut
I'm
yourself.
okay.
I figured you're gonna cut yourself.
Cut yourself?
All right.
I have Band-Aids. I'll get a Band-Aid.
A nick.
We dropped the hook at Great Sail Key, Bahamas. It was time to have some dinner and get a good night's rest before heading on to Green Turtle Key. Tomorrow's weather looks great for sailing. Winds around 15 to 20 on the beam. I can't wait.
No wine tonight.
Cheers. Pass this, Megan.
Yes, that's right.
Cheers. Cheers.
I met a man named Melchizedek. He was a good man, a good man. Wandering lonely in the desert, He invited me to stay. Said I would learn to love the space. Of our parts, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer.
Stretching her legs. This is what we've been looking forward to. Our girl was dock bound for so long, it feels great to get her out on some open water to get her back into sailing shape. She feels happy.
See so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear.
We're flipping away. We rowing? Bye-bye, Reese.
You ready to catch it?
Yeah.
We're at Donnie's Marina. Just talked to Donnie, really nice guy. He gave us walking directions to go to Customs. We have to make a left at the fork, remember that?
We're not really sure who owns the mooring ball.
Yeah, he said, I don't own it, but I'll take the money for it. I said, okay, cool, man.
Yeah, man.
That's all good. So hopefully we'll get checked in. We'll get some information for Ted for his departure. He wants to figure out how he can get over to Marsh Harbor, whether we're gonna take him down there or if he can take a shuttle or something, we'll figure it out. But otherwise, things looking good. You got paint all over you?
Oh, by the way, my boat paint is wet, so don't lean against it. Thanks, Donnie.
I don't think I touched it.
Yeah,
Oh, it's on your shirt.
Thanks,
I'm
Donnie.
I'm glad you're not wearing your Lazy Gecko shirt.
Yeah, yeah. My favorite BVI shirt, man. This is
Oh, that
from BVI,
sucks.
man.
That sucks.
Calwreck Beach.
Oh, that sucks. I'm sorry. So you almost lost your life from a car, but you didn't.
Yeah,
lost
you guys
your shirt.
missed that. No, like, oh, I'm painting the boat, by the way. Don't lean against it.
What are we doing, Reese? What's Mommy doing?
Raising the flag, baby. Raise that sucker, honey.
It's about time. We're checked in and can't wait to start exploring. Welcome to the Bahamas.
Finally.
Are you changing again?
Oh my gosh, they're so hard.
She hates it when we leave.
We're not going anywhere. We're just going to the pool. Shake. Hey, shake. Good girl. Okay, let's go.
Coming up on the Lazy Geckos.
Take both engines slowly back to neutral.
You got it.
Got it.
What is it, like 36 hours later?
Hopetown. Cameras, memory cards. Today we got our BTC Mobile prepaid cards.
Why didn't you come out here? I think he's scared. Fireball. Okay. I think you set him off. What do you think of the back?
Experience the back.
I'm good. Those animals were actually named off of how they sound. Like, ow. Right? You know it's true.
I had no idea all this was back here.
That's funny.
Private little beach. I think this is called.
Our episodes are fueled by Patreon. See how you can be a part of our journey at patreon.com/lazygeckos. Want to get behind the scenes? Follow us on Instagram. There's tons more fun to see on our Vimeo channel. You can find the link in the description below.